Hi, jom masak Meehoon? I don't like to peel garlic, so I chuck them in 5 seconds, speed 5, then remove skin. Throw in onions and chop 4 seconds, speed 6. Scrape it down. Add olive oil, carrots, and you can put cabbage too, but I don't like it, so I don't put. Haha. And chicken, cut in small cubes or fish cakes. 4 minutes, varoma, reverse spoon. Meanwhile, soak Meehoon for a minute or so and drain in varoma dish. Add some water, ketchup, and white pepper. 5 minutes, varoma, reverse spoon. Then add your Meehoon, press it down a bit, then cook for 3 minutes, 30 seconds, varoma, reverse spoon. Then remove measuring cup and gently stir the Meehoon with spatula 2 minutes, varoma, reverse spoon. Careful of the steam, yeah? It's hot. And there you go. No mess Meehoon and your kitchen stays clean. This boy really loves it and have 4 servings good. This recipe is on Cookie Do, so next je. Contact me Kay if you want to know more. Ta-ta!